Hello everyone, welcome to Yoga and You. I'm Lavina, a certified Pilates trainer with a decade of experience in teaching and also practicing Pilates. Now, the only question I get every single time I talk about Pilates is why Pilates? Pilates is a fantastic technique wherein not just your core but your entire body is aligned and the postures are corrected really well. Now when I talk about core training, core is not just your abdomen. Your core means starting from your diaphragm all the way to your pelvic, your front, your back and also your hip muscles. So that is completely taken care of with Pilates. Second most important reason why everybody should be doing Pilates is that it corrects your posture in a way no other form can do it. A lot of us have the habit of, bending forward or going back and not sitting straight. Pilates absolutely corrects all of these. Not just this, Pilates helps you in doing other forms of workout and also your daily chores really well. Like maybe you can just go to the groceries and pick up your grocery bags very easily. So I'm going to tell you why Pilates is going to be your happy hour. Watch these exercises that are coming up and get the best benefit out of it. So the first series that we're going to do today is called the beginner abs. Follow the instructions and do it along with me. Firstly, sit onto your mat this way. Lie down completely. Make sure you're completely aligned. And then very gently take your hands back. Exercise number 1. Come up completely and also bring your hands closer to your legs. Make sure it's nice and controlled. As you go down, your hands and your legs go down together. Repeat that for about a minute. Make sure your core is nicely tucked in. A relaxed, controlled move. And very gently go back to your position. Exercise number 2. Come and sit in a comfortable position. Go down on your elbows. Bring your legs closer and stay on your toes. This time I'm making a V with my legs. Watch. Completely point your toes to the right. Come down to the center and now to the left. Down, right, down, left, down, right, down, left, down. Easy moves, guys. Right, down, left, down. Similarly, do that for a minute. That's 60 seconds. And then rest up for about 10 to 20 seconds. Alright, go back to the first position, exercise number 3. So now what I'm going to do is, I'm going to place my hands back and lift my legs alternately, bringing both my hands closer to my knees, gently going down. On your left, up and down. On your right, up and down. Make sure your chin is not touching your chest and down. Right and down. Left and down. Right and down. Left and down. Moving on to the next exercise. This is one of the most famous exercises of Pilates. It's called Pilates 50. So, From the first position, I want you to curl your chest up, place your legs up this way, toes are out, your heels are together. Hands by your side and start pumping. Core is held tight. And down. Feels great, guys. Moving on to our next exercise. So this time, I'm changing the position. Sit straight, nice and tall, and your legs go straight up this way. My palms are facing opposite direction. I'm holding my core tight and I'm going up. Hold it there. And down. Repeat. Up. And down. One more time. Up. And down. Take a break for about 30 seconds before you go on to the next exercise. Now watch, guys. Something really interesting. So now what I'm going to do is placing both my legs straight. From here, I'm going to take my leg down and up, down and up. Heels up, heels down, then up, down, then up, down, then up, down and up, down and up. Ooh, I can feel the burn on my stomach really, really bad. And down. Another very, very interesting workout. Just watch, guys. This is called a bicycle crunch with a controlled move of Pilates. I'm taking my elbow close to the knee and then moving to the other side. Make sure your breathing throughout is absolutely normal. Do not try to hold your breath at any point. Hold in the end for 10 seconds and completely go down to the starting position. Alright, guys, what we just watched was so amazing for your abdomen and your entire core, and all you need to do is practice this 10 minutes 3 to 4 times in a week, and that will give you better benefits than doing any kind of vigorous and strenuous workouts. Thank you for watching, guys. See you all in the next episode.